All right, so in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and do a customization to this pair of shoes right here. This is the React Presto, and I really like this shoe. There are elements of the shoe that I really don't like though, and that is this cage right here. And because of this weird design, I wanna try to customize these and really just see what can become of it. So I kinda wanna do these in two different ways, but I don't really know how this is gonna come out. So hopefully you guys will be entertained by this video. One of the things that I had in mind was to try and just cut off the entire cage, but as you can see, it's embedded in the midsole. So I have to be kind of mindful of that and how I take it out, especially in this side right here. I might just kind of go up and around and leave the Presto right there, since there's a Presto words on the side here. But I'm not really sure how this is gonna come out. It's not gonna look very clean, but at the end of the day, it will look probably better than the eyesore that the cage is right here. So that is what we're gonna do with this video. If you guys like the concept, hit the thumbs up button, and let's go ahead and get into the custom. First things first, gotta take the laces off. I really want to be able to cut this out here around like this though, and then maybe use these as lace holes. I thought that would be cool too.
Perfect.
Maybe we do it here. Maybe we just go like that and leave it like that. Do we leave this oddball? I don't know what to do. Leave this one here, then I gotta cut across and then down.
Perfect.
All right, so that is kind of the way it would look like this with laces over top. Let's try the other side.
Perfect. Perfect.
So this is the first version right here, completed, sort of. I'm gonna go ahead and try to remove this part, see how it looks on the other one.
Perfect.
It might actually work better with these. I'm just trying to clean this up.
Perfect. Perfect.
Version 2, let's put the laces back on. Did anybody notice that the tongue looks like a wicked smiley face? Thumbs up if you guys noticed that, that's kind of rad. Alright, so as you can see, these are the final results from the customization. All of the parts have been removed. And these are the two different versions. I was actually gonna remove the entire thing, but when it came down to it, I actually really like the results of this one the best. It's such a clean look, way cleaner than all the weird little pod things all over the place. So I'm really happy that I actually ended up removing these. I think that this is an overall better looking combination, the way that this has been removed. But then there is the other version in case one, this is ridiculous. If you like two holes more than one, then you could do this other version as well. And then have both of the holes down here. But honestly, it looks more even and more balanced like this. Kind of obviously more of that Pharrell NMD sort of vibe to it. But leave a comment and a thumbs up if you guys like this video. I definitely took a little bit of a risk here with cutting up my pair. But at the end of the day, I wanted to see what it would look like without this.
You just reached over and started playing with it.
Maddie May. I'm trying to make a video. And she's playing with a toy over here. Maddie. Hey, Maddie. I'm trying to do this real quick. Okay. Say bye.
Say bye. Wave. Bye bye.
Say bye.
Good job, man.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, good enough. Let's finish this video. Anyway, shout out to the baby for the little cameo there. But yeah, anyway, leave a comment and a thumbs up if you guys like the overall results that we have here better than before. I definitely appreciate the thumbs up if you guys can grant me those. Subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, notification bell to be notified of when the videos go live. Have a great rest of the day. Peace, guys.